Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018 and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change warning light. So let's get started. Whenever you start the car, you will see the warning light that appear right in the dashboard saying that you gotta do the oil change. However, I already performed the oil change, so I just want to get rid of this warning light. I'm going to start the engine. Now right here in the main menu, I'll go to menu, then I'll go to settings, I'll go to cluster, go to restore cluster settings. Okay, I'm gonna tap OK. And that's it. Now go to menu. Let's check if the oil warning light is still there. That's it. This is pretty much how you reset the oil warning light in this Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018 without weird stuff. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.